Good morning from Hackensack. This morning I'm making a Mexican breakfast scramble with organic eggs and some reduced fat Swiss cheese and the incredible smoked wild salmon from Costco. I'm gonna put some organic salsa in there, also from Costco. And I have 3 corn tortillas from Rosa Mexicano restaurant in Hackensack, where I live. We had dinner there the other night, my son's birthday, and I'm trying to heat them up on this pan over here. If that doesn't work, I'll put them in the microwave. It doesn't look like it works that well. So we have the smoked salmon, the reduced fat Swiss cheese, I put the salsas here in and some grated Parmesan cheese also. I think I'm going to add some more salsa. You can never have too much salsa. This is not a very salty salsa, so it's, don't have to worry about that. And of course there's salt in the salmon, and salt in the Parmesan cheese. Here's some organic cilantro I bought last week. This is the last of it. Cilantro is an authentic Mexican flavor. So it looks like we're ready to go with tortillas. Let's see what the tortillas from Rosa Mexicano are made at the restaurant. The thick corn tortillas. They're addictive, and most of the, just about all the food there is made from scratch, including the salsas. And it's just a great place, a fine dining restaurant. So here's a Mexican breakfast scramble with organic salsa, wild salmon, cilantro, cheese, and corn tortillas. Enjoy.